Hi friends, for our next center, we're going to turn to the next blank page in our math journal. And we're going to glue in our number 9 poem. So I'm going to get out my glue and I'm going to remember just a dot, not a lot. And I'm going to put on the back of my 9 poem, sticking my 9 poem in, putting my cap on my glue stick, and I'm going to read my poem. Make a loop and then a line. That's the way to make a 9. So I'm going to make a loop, then a line. That's the way to make a 9. Now I'm going to practice the number word 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Now I'm going to practice 9 tally marks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, across 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to draw 9 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now today I'm going to take out my crayon and I'm going to draw 9 red apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to go back through and I'm going to add 9 stems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I'm going to go back through again and I'm going to add 9 leaves. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, my friends, so let's practice our poem again. Make a loop and then a line. That's the way to make a 9. Then I wrote the number 9, the number word 9, 9 tallies, 9 counters, and I drew 9 apples. Remember, you can do a drawing, you can cut out pictures, or you can use stickers. Please remember to bring this back with you at the end of the day. I will see you soon.